Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yuni Wulandari. I'm from the Law Department. Here I will explain the paper I made with the title Positive Indonesian Legal Perspective Regarding Marriage Below Age. The first background. Underage marriage is not something new in Indonesia. This practice has been around for a long time with so many perpetrators. Not in the big city, not in the interior. The reason also vary due to economic problems, low education, cultural understanding, and certain religious values and other. However, to form a marriage in the marriage law, conditions have been set such as regarding the age limit to be able to marry material requirement, such as the provision regarding the minimum age limit contained in Article 7, Paragraph 1 of Law Number 1 of 1974, which states that marriage is only permitted if the man has reached the age of 19 years and the woman has reached the age of 16 years. This limitation is intended to maintain the health of husband and wife and offspring. There are many more impacts than this underage marriage. Marriage is not a matter of material readiness, but also a matter of one's maturity and one's mental readiness, where the age is mature enough and has matured. Underage marriage is not a new thing. It has happened a lot in Indonesia, and on average, they are still teenagers. The impacts are varied, ranging from positive to negative. And then, problem formulation. 1. What is the legal prohibition on underage marriage? 2. What the legal consequence of underage marriage? And then, discussion. Number 1. Indonesian positive legal perspective on underage marriage according to Law Number 1 of 1974. Since enactment, the state law that regulates marriage issues is Law Number 1 of 1974 concerning marriage. To be able to realize the purpose of marriage, one of the conditions is that the parties on the marriage are physically and mentally mature. Therefore, in Law Number 1 of 1974, the minimum age limit for marriage is determined. The provisions regarding the minimum age limit are contained in Chapter 2, Article 7, Paragraph 1 of Law Number 1 of 1974, which states that marriage is only permitted if the man has reached the age of 19 years and the woman has reached the age of 60 years. From the existence of this age limit, it can be interpreted that Law Number 1 of 1974 does not require the implementation of underage marriage. In Law Number 1 of 1974, Article 7, Paragraph 1 states the marriage is only permitted if the man has reached the age of 19 and the woman has reached the age of 16 years. The proposed amendment to Article 7 of 1974, Paragraph 1, marriage can and is carried out if the husband, man and woman age at least 19 years. Paragraph 2, to carry out the marriage of age prospective bride and groom who has not reached the age of 21 years must obtain permission from both parents in accordance with the agreement of the National Occupational and Family Planning Agency (BKKBN), which has carried out cooperation with the MOU, which states that the age of first marriage is permitted if the man reaches the age of 25 years and the woman reaches the age of 20 years. Number 2. Indonesian positive legal purposes on underage marriage according to Book 1 of the Civil Code KUH Perdata on Marriage. Marriage according to the Civil Code is viewed from a civil perspective only, so that a valid marriage is a marriage that is carried out or carried out based on the provision of the law. The law does not pay attention to the motives of marriage, religious, social element, the biological condition of husband and wife who will marry and other. As long as it is in accordance with the provision of the law, the marriage is considered valid. This has a negative impact on the marriage institution itself. Age limit is regulated in Article 29 of the Civil Code, which determines the age limit for someone who will carry out a marriage, namely 18 years for men and 50 years for prospective wives. Only this dispensation is given by the government based on very important and organization formal requirement, namely condition relating to even for formalities that precede a marriage and at the time of the marriage. Candidates who are going to get married come to the civil registry, of which the states their will are on a TV, the officer or civil register of their intention. Then the employee will ask the identity of the parties. And then number 3, legal consequence of underage marriage. Underage marriage is a marriage which, according to law, cannot be carried out freely in the legal view. Underage marriage is something that can have an impact, as stated in the explanation of Article 7, Paragraph 1 of Law Number 1 of 1974, namely to maintain the health of husband and wife and their offspring. It is necessary to set an age limit in marriage. If it is interpreted again, so according to the law, it is clear that the impact of this underage marriage can be felt on subsequent family life, which can be said to have a negative impact. Seeing this explanation, it is clear that underage marriage is strictly prohibited and can violate the child protection law and marriage law. However, underage marriage still occurs by asking for a marriage dispensation granted by the religious court. Based on the marriage law, marriage is carried out under age can be categorized into child exploitation, because a child who is still in parental care should have the opportunity to learn. So it is clear that underage marriage can rob children of their rights. And the last closing. From a legal perspective, the age difference for marriage is limited by the age of 19 years for men and 16 years for women, as stated in Law Number 1 of 1974 concerning marriage, even in Article 29 of the Civil Code concerning marriage. There is also a limitation on the age of marriage, namely 18 years for men and 15 years for women, along with gender equality, so that the age of marriage should no longer be distinguished between men and women. An equal age limit must be determined, considering that marriage also has broad legal consequences in the legal relationship between husband and wife, which contains religious and moral values. With the marriage, one will arrest that contains rights and obligations, such as the obligation to live in the same place, be loyal to one another, the obligation to provide a living, inheritance rights, and so on. Underage marriage can be done by priest doing a dispensation. If the marriage continues without any dispensation, then the marriage can be prevented or annulled. One of 1974 concerning marriage stipulates that marriage can be prevented if there are parties who do not meet the requirement to enter into marriage. The marriage is also considered invalid or is considered to have never excited because it does not meet the requirement, then the marriage can be annulled. Okay, thank you for the watching my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.